In war, the swiftness of the water, crashing against the rocks, showcases the power of momentum. The forceful strike of a bird of prey, capable of breaking and destroying, highlights the importance of discipline. Those skilled in warfare understand the significance of both power and restraint. Their strategy is like a tightly drawn bow, ready to unleash with precision. Their discipline is like a well-oiled machine, ensuring actions are executed flawlessly. To truly master the art of warfare, one must combine the relentless force of strategy and the unwavering discipline of execution. The harmonious balance of power and control leads to victory on the battlefield. Remember, in the face of conflict, embrace the power of strategy and discipline. Only then can you navigate the turbulent waters of warfare and emerge victorious. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on mastering the art of warfare.